Hello kids! In today's drawing, I will tell you how to draw a beautiful honeybee and how to color in this one. So let's start by drawing the head of the honeybee. So now we will start the lower abdomen of the honeybee. It's done. Simply we will draw circular lines in this one. Last and final part of the drawing is to draw its wings. Honeybee has 4 wings like this one. We will draw 2 antennas on its head. Next comes the coloring. We will color by using 3 colors. First one is black color. We will use black color in its head and on the circular lines which we have drawn on its abdomen section. We have done with black color. Next color is yellow color. We'll use yellow color on its face and the remaining parts of its abdomen. Yellow color is also done. So what do you think? What is the next color? Next color is blue color. We'll use blue color on its wings. So our honeybee is almost ready now. Kindly support for next drawing videos. See you next time with more interesting videos. Till then, goodbye.